I'm pissed off because I don't have a man in my life that will hang a bathroom mirror. So I've literally gone without a mirror for like way too long. So finally got one, and I'm gonna figure out how to hang it with limited tools because I don't know where my hammer is. So from what I can tell, I literally lost these things and the screws, but I found them in another thing that needs to be hung that still hasn't happened yet. You'll need a marker, I guess, measuring tape, screwdriver drill. They claim that you need a level, but I'm gonna go without. So I marked the dots of the length and like measured. Hopefully I don't royally screw it up. Let's go find out. You're all supposed to be able to have like a stud finder, but I guess I'm avoiding that part as well. So I use the back of my screwdriver to like just kind of hit that in. Now I'm gonna go on this side. Hopefully it's level. Oh, I don't have a good enough point on that. Well, I got sick of hand drill screwing it in, so let's see. I guess I'm gonna have to put the bit in here. Okay, I screwed that in. Hopefully it works. That's like a thing I have to like, what pimple I'm trying to remove. Anyway. Righty tighty, lefty loosey, right? Okay, I might need both hands on here. Both hands on deck. I don't know if I'm doing this right. Oh. Now I don't even know if it's correct. What do you guys think? I don't know. Probably should have been better to get it even. I don't even know, because my 17 inches across is not, so. Glad I'm like re-measuring it. I probably should have like been more accurate, but this is ADHD at its finest. I hate reading instructions. Okay, measured again, a little further over. And this is the part where I don't know if it's even, but oh, I eyeballed it. So I'm gonna figure screwing in this plastic and then somehow screwing in the screw inside the plastic thing, and I'll come back and show you the final results. Screwed up. I literally made a big hole, and maybe that stud finder is necessary. And then I shoved a condom in there, and I'm gonna shove pieces of glove in there. For part two, because this is a nightmare.